Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Lalit. Today I am introducing you something very special. This is Subwoofer. It has high quality and sound performance, having low bass. It clarifies and quantifies the bass, and it has input of 10 RPM. It has bass level increase or decrease controller, the power on and off button, audio input jack, having two right and left speaker jack, and 12-volt AC input. This is satellite speaker. These are two. Now you can see how can I install this. You can input this on the output jack so that you can get the high range sound from this speaker and the bass sound from this subwoofer. It has adapter which is used to connect this device to direct AC voltage so that the connection is proper and the device work easily. Now this is 3.5 mm to 3.5 mm jack, which is useful for input onto this device and mobile device. It is easy to install. Now you can eject this and it is ready to play. This speaker is made by Creative Labs and its model is Inspire M2600 and its price range is 3200. It is decent price for this speaker. It has good sound quality, high bass, nice pitch. Now I am going to show you the sound quality and the bass performance of this speaker. Now you can see the performance and the bass quality of this speaker. I think the price range for this speaker is quite decent and good. By the way, this is 3.5 mm to 3 RCA cable and it is used to connect this device to computer, different kind of CDs and other devices, which is quite easy for quality content and this type of tech videos. Please do comment, like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel name is Lalit. This much for today.